1.6 part 3. We're still talking about pairs of angles. So another pair of angles are vertical angles. Make sure you're spelling it correctly as well. A lot of people write C-L-E, but vertical angles are a pair of non-adjacent angles. We went over adjacent angles, next to, but then non-adjacent angles would be not next to or not sharing a common side. But vertical angles are a pair of angles formed by two intersecting lines that are non-adjacent. So in this diagram here, I have an intersecting line here, L, intersecting line M, and then there's four angles that I could take a look at. Angles 1, 2, 3, and 4. Angles 1 and 2, that's a pair of angles. Those are adjacent. Those are next to each other. They share a common endpoint. They share a common side. 2 and 3 are adjacent. 3 and 4 are adjacent. And then 1 and 4 are adjacent. So all those pairs that I just mentioned can't be vertical angles because vertical angles are non-adjacent angles formed by two intersecting lines. So a pair of vertical angles in this diagram are angles 4 and 2. I'm going to define in a minute, even though I just did, but I'll write it down, what vertical angles are. The vertical angles, angle 4 and angle 2 are vertical angles with each other. And then in the diagram, angles 1 and 3 are vertical with each other as well. Doesn't matter what order I wrote those in. I could have said angle 2 and angle 4 are vertical angles, 3 and 1 are vertical angles, but two non-adjacent angles formed by two intersecting lines. And in the next video, we'll take a look at some examples using pairs of angles.